So previous class we discussed about the how to make video will be text to video making. Now I'm discussing about the image to video making. Image to video making total will be one will be online website, two will be offline software. One will be online website, two will be offline software. One will be image to video.com. Which one? Image to video.com. Second one, offline software. First one, you can download for ezvid.com. ezvid.com. This will be software download by previous they support by two version, Mac and Windows. Recently updating for only support by Windows version. Windows ezvid for Windows. So it's a total tutorial. Don't click this option. This option will be add, not for download. In this coming to click for download. After download, to make the video on offline on your system. That using for in this software. This is called ezvid. Image to video making we can using for total kind of option. Second one, easy video maker. Easy video maker. That is easyvideomaker.com. That will be easymakervideo.com. Now in this one, pro and free will be there. Free will be up to 5 minutes. It's very comfortable and to make the videos on image to video, video to video making. Multiple video you can attach by the Easy Video Maker to make the video with the own voice. But EasyVid is a drawback is called multiple videos we can upload by the EasyVid. The original voice will be removed. Whatever you mentioned by video, music will be allowed. But Easy Video Maker, your original voice also will be allowed. But drawback is called Pro will be unlimited. Free will be up to 5 minutes we make the video. So that is called image to video making purpose. We select option call is image to video.com. In this animation video, slideshow video and sequence video. Animation and slideshow video accept only for 30 images. 30 images. Sequence video accept by 100 images. Secret thing, but the scrolling for one by one. Each column you can give the particular seconds. But animation and slideshow, we not give any kind of specification time. The slide will be every image will be minimum 5 seconds. 3 seconds to up to 5 seconds. So animation and slideshow video we can making by the any kind of to showing by interior related websites. But I'm into service based or company based website. Also making for two videos, sequence and animation or slideshow video. First of all, select your sequence video. Any video making image to video, first of all, welcome screen is your title. End screen will be like, share, subscribe before using for contact image. So when you creating any kind of video, all image into one folder. And we can give the numbers also. With first image, which is the second, to mention name is the end screen. To mention for end screen. This will be contact us. This is a welcome screen. I make this image will be web development company in Hyderabad. Select sequence to video. Company like any video will be making, don't using for animation. Comparated. So any kind of interior or area show any kind of portfolio related to design related can show for slideshow and animation. Select how many images will accepted for 100 images. To make the video, to measure two important, music and logo. Image to video.com, any video will give the branded watermark and logo. Branded watermark logo. Suppose you're making video by another platform of the software. You can add logo also. Which one? Add logo, add text to video, add music to video. So in this, select images. Select your folder. Again, select by all image. One by will be not accepted by image to video. So I'm adding for one by one is a not accepted. Again, select by all image in one step. Select it. After that, change your position, which is first and second, third, fourth. Now will be welcome image 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Contact and in the screen. Now click for next. Add your music. Suddenly you have one question. So I don't have any music. Go with this option. Continue without audio file. With audio file, without audio file. Audio file is there. The few music we can download by the YouTube channel. Next logo. Logo will be, again, people we can see by very clarity you have to maintain. Next, each slide how many seconds you have spent. I'm give by 7 seconds. I give by 7 seconds. Now I can give by 6. I'll go by 8 also. The first video, very fast. I'm not looking for fast and very fast. I'm looking for slow. People can read the content and they give the leads. So this one. Here will be add your text. Just nothing but total images will give one option is called or I'll give my number. Why? People read when you're reading time, I'll give them my number also. The number will be you can show for where? Total bottom. Now click for next. You make any videos, image to video, to select by all in one folder to make the video. Here no need by the select by the particular seconds to drag your option. So everything will be maintained by the seconds. Automatically the video will be created. Each image will be how many seconds? I'll give 8 seconds. 10 images. 80-second video will be make. So this will be make the video. And coming to your software offline. Coming to your offline software. Here will be make the image to video. In this, you can select by the every seconds. You have to drag. Every second you have to drag. Here will be mentioned easily, but here will be drag the each and every video seconds. One will go 1 second. Second video will be 2 seconds. 3 will be 3 seconds. You have to mention by each video. Separate second will be using by Easy Video Maker. But the drawback is called up to 5 minutes they will make the video. So cancel. Now select my all images, control A and paste it. Okay. If you add music, what is that? Add a video, add audio, or images. Add audio. Coming to your audio file. Select your audio. Everything you can add by individual files. Image will be individual and video image audio will be individual. So we will first video to video making, image to video and music also. First you can add by images. Everything will be added. Now here Every image you can drag yourself. Now clear? Every image what I am doing here, I am dragging myself. Then let's add your music. Again, you can play and check. It's clear? Everything you can add your image, add your music, and check your all files. This will be manual option. Final click for render. When I click for render, this will be total your offline mode. But every image you can drag yourself by drag the image. So I'm done by this. Image to video, we can go for always image2video.com by online. If you go offline, go for easy video maker. Perfect timeline and perfect slider will be understand. One is called easyview.com. Second will be easymakevideo.com. Two websites for I download the softwares. They only support by the Windows. The video ready. Now check the video. This video, how many seconds will be there? 8 seconds. I'm upload by images here based on the showing for your video. In the footer, you can see the our time call and WhatsApp particular number, and they're adding for our in this here our logo means our watermark. This will be adding for particular video to download it. Is it clear? So image2video.com is set by the two offline website. One will be online website.